Hey guys, it's Ann over at Plant Obsessed, and you're not going to believe this, but I have sifted all of the big boy castings, and this is what we've got. A 7 pound or 7 gallon bucket and a 5 gallon bucket, and they are filled to the brim with worms. So if I pop this a little bit, there you go. You can see, can't you? Same thing over here. So the end is near. I'm going to be light harvesting the rest of them out, and then I'll be weighing them. The offer is still good for a DIY system like I have. If you'd like to just guess for the sake of guessing and you'd like me to donate it to somebody, you can do that as well. But I'm going to be doing this week. This is your last chance to guess how many worms were in the big boy. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out with me and my buckets of worms. Everybody have a good night.